Bienvenido!
Today we're going to cook a Spanish lentil stew. We're going to cook it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes!
This is based on a traditional Spanish peasant dish known as lentejas. It's like a belly hug. This is so worth cooking, and we're going to show how simple it is, and we're going to cook it in 5 minutes.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go!
Okay, first step, pan on high heat.
Oh, you put the wrong one. Oh, I went in this one.
Okay.
Okay, pan on high heat. I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of oil. Yeah, a large tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half.
Okay, I got 2 cloves of garlic that I've chopped pretty roughly.
That looks very rough.
Yeah, well, this is 5 minutes cooking.
So this is going to be a really wholesome dish. It's fantastic. It's like Spanish peasant food, really wholesome, nourishing, and easy to do. This recipe is going to serve 2 people. So if you're cooking it yourself, it's great to eat the next day. Obviously, double it up if you've got 4 people.
We spilled a few garlic on the
You
way.
already did, didn't you?
Yeah, Russian. Okay, three scallions. Let's take 4 scallions. Just chop the ends off and chop them finely. Reason why we're going with scallions instead of onion is
They cook quicker.
Yeah.
Great point. Okay, so garlic in the pan. Meanwhile, I have a grater. You will note it's a fancy golden grater. The goldenness is not essential. I'm just going to grate the carrot into the pan. So typically in a Spanish lentil stew, there'll be carrots in it. We're grating it so it can cook quicker in 5 minutes. There'll always be root veg in some kind of Spanish lentil stew.
There's normally potato in it, but we're going to leave it out because we don't have time. So
We've
in
got
goes our
5 whole
scallion.
minutes.
In goes our scallion. Okay, in a typical traditional lentejas, there is normally chorizo. So obviously we want to make this vegan, so we got some vegan sausages. I just simply bought these just to make it easier. These are just going to add more flavor. Obviously this is going to be cooked in 5 minutes, so we don't have time to develop huge flavor, so it's handy having things like this.
Insta flavor.
Yeah.
I'm going in with a beetroot. I love a bit of beetroot in a lentil stew. Could give a nice kind of red heartiness to the dish. So this is just a raw beetroot. You know, you should get it in most places, but it's not essential. If you can't get it, don't worry at all.
Okay.
Stick with the carrot.
Nice.
So now, obviously, there is 2 of us here now, but we'll be able to cook it.
We're down to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Can we do it? Okay, wooden spoon.
There's one there.
You got one?
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Okay. Okay, beetroot does look beautiful in there.
The colours are great. I don't know, can you see all that?
Very lovely. Okay, right, time to start getting our sauce in. Right, so obviously fry that down until it starts to char ever so slightly. We've 1 400ml can of chopped tomatoes. In it goes.
Question, Stephen, if I didn't have chopped tomatoes, could I use fresh tomatoes?
Yes, let's get 2 bay leaves. Bay leaves, in they go. Smoked paprika next. Will typically be in a lentejas. Let's go with 3/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. No, we're going with 1/2 a teaspoon of smoked paprika. In it goes. We're seeking out the smoke because it'll add that kind of smoky oxtail-like flavour.
Yeah, it gives a real kind of lovely...
Next step, 400ml of veg stock. Beauty, mate, beauty.
That's looking good.
Yeah. Tin of lentils.
Just make sure and drain and rinse them, obviously, because once you rinse them, you reduce their fart capacity massively.
Yeah.
Colours are fab.
Dave's magic secret sauce.
Which is called tamari.
So I'm going with 1 tablespoon.
And in case you've never watched one of our videos before, tamari is a wheat-free soy sauce that's much rounder, it's gluten-free, and it's much tastier, I think.
Okay.
This looks great.
Bit of black pepper.
Jeez, it's pretty much there, isn't it?
Good generous
That
pinch of
looks
black
great, look at
pepper.
that. So pretty much with this 5-minute cooking, it's just a matter of lashing everything in the pan at the same time. So we've got 1.5 minutes left, so really easy peasy.
So now we're just trying to heat it up and make sure it all comes to boil. I'm going to adjust the seasoning. Let me just get in there. Right, so I got a little bit of salt there. I'm going to go in with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Fantastic. Question there. Someone asked us there, why do we use tamari so much? Tamari has 7 times less sodium than salt, so we tend to use it just because it's better for blood flow.
Okay, question, Steve, now what would you serve this with?
What would I serve this? I'd serve it with a good fajita bread. Or I'd serve it with wholemeal couscous, because that would take 5 minutes to serve with it too.
Super tasty, the beetroot's fabulous. And you see it, well there we go, time's up.
Time's up.
Oh no, it isn't. No, that was a different alarm. We've got 47 seconds left. Yes! I reckon this is the easiest thing ever.
Yeah, it really is.
Well, we're both
Very crazy.
And the beetroot, you'll notice, will add this kind of really lovely, vibrant red colour to it. And the fantastic thing about having a sausage in it, these vegan sausages, is that every now and again you get like, it's like finding the ring in the barn brack, or it's like finding jackpot. You go, ooh,
it's like
taste sensation.
Finding a chocolate chip in a chocolate chip cookie. It just feels like, oh wow, what's that explosion of texture and flavour.
20 seconds left.
Ah, that was the easiest one we've ever done.
Actually, still going. There we go. Boom. Cruising. I think I'm actually going to stop it because the dish is done. Boom. We won. We beat it.
Woohoo! Okay, turn up the heat.
Really, it's a very tasty, simple, easy dish. The beautiful thing about this dish is that it's like a belly hug.
Yeah.
I'm
gonna
top
put
tip for
some
serving with,
sausage
I think
up
you can
there.
serve it with wholemeal
Look,
couscous.
it looks beautiful like that with just a few random sausages.
Jeez, look at you.
Look at that. Fabulous. I'll just describe the flavors. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Delicious, yummy,
Now, it's
fantastic.
really earthy. There's kind of almost like a creaminess off the sauce.
Very
like-
wholesome, it's delicious, it's yum. Anyway, there you
Do
have
try
it.
it.
Spanish lentil stew in 5 minutes.
Muchas gracias. Te mando mucho amor y suerte con todo.
Y gracias para subscribir para nuestro channel.
Woohoo!
Thanks again for watching and please subscribe and send loads of love.
Cheers.
Boom!